On 21st July 2022, members of the Meghalaya Trinamool Youth Congress had addressed media persons on concerns of the youth towards accessible education for persons with disabilities. The president of the Trinamool Congress Students' Union East Khasi Hills District, Waiki Snaitang, while observing that Bethany Society and Jyoti Sroat schools are the only schools in the state that have been providing inclusive education, said that those are not enough to meet the needs of persons with disabilities. Snaitang urged upon the government to establish at least 1 to 2 inclusive schools in all districts of the state in order to cater to educational needs of this category of students. Referring to the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, Snaitang said that the government should consider the 4% job reservation for PWDs in government service. However, he was not in favor of the Rs 500 per month payment to PWDs through the Chief Minister's Social Assistance Scheme, since it is too meagre a sum to meet their needs.
Even though there is a reservation policy in place for their community, but it seems that this policy is not just implemented in our state, but it's not accepted at all, as of what we've heard from Mr. Waiki. And the third comes from the schemes which are made to assist them, like the Chief Minister's Social Assistance Scheme. This scheme, back in 2012, it had brought in the rule that it should be 500 rupees allowance per month. But till date, 2022, with such high inflation, where all prices of every single commodity is rising, the sad part is that the CM's social assistance scheme has remained the same, whereas in other neighboring states like Assam or Arunachal Pradesh, they have now given 2,000 rupees allowance. Our state is still at 500, still stuck at 500. So these are the various problems that they are facing, and we have taken this initiative from the Trinamool Congress to put their grievances or their problems ahead of everything else. They will be our number one priority because we believe in upliftment of everyone.
In the meantime, the president of the Meghalaya Trinamool Youth Congress, Bansharai Langpangrob, informed that the top priority of the AITC in Meghalaya is taking up the cause of the PWDs.
That there are 3,367 posts which are lying vacant. These posts are already there. These posts are not there, are not being filled up. We just want to ask the government why. Why such things? Why are you denying the youths their rights? Why are you denying the students their rights? Parents have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees to educate their children, believing that they will be uplifted. No, next generation will be uplifted more. But this is all being halted. Now youths are crossing their age limit. How will they get jobs now? How will these families be uplifted? How will we inculcate the spirit of education and the importance of education in our state when people are seeing that there are no fruits to this education? It is sad. It is very sad. And we truly, from AITC, we will fight tooth and nail to make sure that our youths are number one priority, that jobs will be filled up. We shall not be lackadaisical when it comes to all these things. This is the statement of the party.